Samsung Galaxy M54 may be powered by Snapdragon 888 chipset, features 64MP primary camera. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comments section what you are looking out for in this new flagship. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. South Korean tech giant Samsung is currently gearing up to launch its upcoming smartphone, the Galaxy M54, which may be coming with some really advanced features if reports are to be believed. Samsung may launch the Galaxy M54 this year itself, and it will reportedly feature a Snapdragon 888 processor along with a high refresh rate screen and a big battery. Apart from the Snapdragon 888 processor, the upcoming smartphone will reportedly come equipped with the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The smartphone will likely be powered by a 6000 mAh battery that will support a 25 watts fast charging. According to a report in Sam Mobile, the Samsung Galaxy M54 will flaunt a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. Now talking about the camera on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy smartphone, it could come packed with a 32MP selfie camera at the front, and show off a triple camera setup at the rear consisting of 64MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera and a 5MP macro camera. As per reports, Samsung users can expect some pro-level cinematics on the upcoming smartphone, as it may let them record 4K video through the cameras, front and rear. Moreover, it is expected to have a fingerprint reader, GPS, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C port as well. Samsung previously launched mid-range smartphones like Galaxy M52 and Galaxy M53. Meanwhile, the South Korean tech giant recently showcased its latest updates to software and services at an annual tech conference, the Samsung Developer Conference, SDC 2022 in San Francisco, which it said were aimed at improving overall user experience through technology innovations. At the conference, Samsung unveiled new user interface One UI 5 for its Galaxy products and a vision for a more connected home life, partly through expanded partnership with Google. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.